Good numbers in the US. When you look at the result, it's about 80% beat on the expectation, which had been lowered in the course of the last few weeks. So in the US, it's quite good. In Europe, it's different matters. It's more mushy mushy. I think that you had some disappointment, but you had some sign that things could improve. With regard to that, you could look at the LVMH numbers. They were not particularly good. The sales decrease was lower than expected. So it seems that there is a stabilization in the sector that is looming. So better in the US than in Europe.
Coming week ahead, there's four of the Magnificent Seven reporting. What are you expecting from that, if anything?
What I will expect is that they continue to defend the idea that they are going to see all the positive effect of all the investment they made and they are continuing to make, that they are showing sign that it's going into the economy. We like to see that. And, for example, it was very interesting last week because you had Alphabet numbers coming. They were quite good. But what was interesting is that they are accelerating their investment, and they announced that they would accelerate the investment for 2025 by 10 billion US dollar, not a small number, and that they would continue in 2026. So we are still looking with the Magnificent Seven with this idea, okay, it's good to invest, but do you see sign that there is diffusion to the rest of the economy of the artificial intelligence? So that's what I'm going to take a very close look at. But it's not only the Magnificent Seven that are going to publish this week. You have a lot of publication this week in terms of companies reporting is very important. You had significant companies like Visa, like Procter and Gamble's are going to produce their number in the US. You will have significant companies giving their number in Europe. You will have Hermes, you will have Kering, you will have Airbus. In Switzerland, you will have Sika, you will have Holcim, you will have UBS. So this week is very important, not so much only for the Magnificent Seven, but also to see how the rest of the economy is behaving.